Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make spinach baby food. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, vibrant spinach leaves, ensuring they are free from wilting or yellowing. Next, wash the spinach thoroughly under cool, running water, gently rubbing the leaves to remove any dirt or grit. Finally, carefully remove any tough stems, as these can be difficult to blend smoothly for your little one. This careful preparation ensures a delicious and nutritious meal. Now let's cook our spinach. Steaming is an excellent method, preserving most of the nutrients. Place the cleaned spinach in a steamer basket over boiling water and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's tender. If you prefer boiling, use just enough water to cover the spinach and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Another quick option is to sauté it with a tablespoon or 2 of water until wilted. Once cooked, it's time to blend for that perfect baby food consistency. Carefully transfer the tender spinach to a blender or food processor. To achieve the right texture, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of breast milk, formula, or even the cooking water. Blend until it's completely smooth and free of any lumps. You might need to scrape down the sides once or twice to ensure everything is incorporated. Finally, let's talk about storing and serving your homemade spinach baby food. You can store the puree in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions in ice cube trays. They'll last for up to 3 months. When ready to serve, thaw and gently warm the desired amount. Always remember to test the temperature on your wrist before offering it to your little one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.